Let's suppose x equals 10, y equals 15, and z equals blue. Now, for those of you that haven't done anything with programming, it may seem odd to say that some variable is equal to a color or a word, but in programming we store all kinds of things in variables. Sometimes strings, sometimes values, sometimes lists are given a name, so don't let this throw you too much. Let's find the truth value of but x is greater than 5 and y is less than or equal to 10. Okay, this is the kind of thing I would see more so in programming. So I'm one level abstracted from just here's p, here's q. We're going to have to put in these values for our variables and then evaluate this statement. So let's do that. I see x here, so I'm going to put 10 is greater than 5, and then I've got an and then y was 15, so 15 is less than or equal to 10. Then I'm going to use what I know about inequalities. 10 is greater than 5 is true. 15 is less than or equal to 10 is false. And then this is an and is the, oh, I grabbed the wrong table. Here's one. And is the conjunction. So if I have a true first and a false second, I get that this is false. So for these values of x, y, and z, this statement is false. Okay, let's do another example, that same kind of thing. Let's find the truth value of the statement, x is less than or equal to 5, and y is greater than 10, in parentheses, and then or z equals blue. Again, let's start by just putting in the values for our variables. So I have 10 is less than or equal to 5, and let's see, y was 15. 15 is greater than 10, or, and then z was blue, so I'm going to replace z with blue. Now let's evaluate each of these and then we'll start working with our truth values. 10 is less than or equal to 5, that's false. Right, 10 is greater than 5. 15 is greater than 10, that's true. Or, let's see, blue is equal to blue, that's true. I have parentheses here, so I should do this conjunction first. When I look at my conjunction table, I've got a false first and a true second. That gives me that this is false. And now I'm left with a disjunction. I have a false first, a true second, false first and true second for disjunction gives me true. This statement is true given these values for the variables.